Hi there, today I'm going to show you how you can easily decorate some Target cups with some vinyl. First of all, you'll need to cut out your vinyl on your Cricut or Silhouette. You will need some cups. You will also need some transfer tape and a squeegee or scraper. And don't forget, you'll also need some rubbing alcohol and a towel. So once I got my vinyl cut out, I went ahead and got my transfer tape, standard grip, and just cut out the approximate sizes that I would need for the vinyl. And I downloaded my SVGs from antite.com and just uploaded that into Cricut Design Space and then cut it out on my Cricut Explorer. So now I'm just going to cut out the transfer tape. I'm not very exact, and the transfer tape is also reusable, so keep that in mind. If you ever happen to cut a piece that's too small, cut another piece and just add it on top. So once you have that done, you can go ahead and just pull out the adhesive portion of the transfer tape and remove the backing, which can be a little tricky. And then you'll place that on top of your vinyl. And I'm using Oracal 651 that I just purchased from Michael's. And so I like to press it down and then get the squeegee and press it down really well. And with these particular designs, I'm making sure to get in between the letters. And then on the Let's Go to the Mountain, I wanted to concentrate on the actual graphic as opposed to the letters, just because there's so many tiny little pieces, and I wanted to make it as easy as possible to lift all the pieces and then put them onto the cup. But you'll see soon enough that things don't always go as planned. But anyway, just go ahead and try your best. So the cups I picked up from Target are 79 cents, and I'm just taking off the little tags that were on the bottom. They say they're dishwasher and microwave safe. However, with this type of vinyl, hand wash only, I think, is the best way to handle them. That way your beautiful graphics won't fall off in the dishwasher. So now I'm just getting some rubbing alcohol and cleaning the surface of the cups to make sure there's no dirt or grease or anything gross, so that your vinyl will go ahead and adhere nicely. So once that's dry, I'll go ahead and peel back the transfer tape, and that one lifted nicely. I just kind of eyeball it where I want the decal on the cup, and then I just go ahead and press it down with my fingers, and then I'll take the squeegee and then start pressing down harder to make sure that everything is sticking nicely. And so again, I just make sure to really concentrate on like the insides of the letters, like the O's, and anything that's really little on the decal. So once you have that pressed down, you can start pulling back the transfer tape, and you can see that already part of the decal doesn't want to stay on the cup. So I just start slowly peeling back the transfer tape, but yet getting the squeegee back in there and pressing down with my fingers. This standard grip transfer tape is pretty strong. For a little bit, I was wondering if maybe I accidentally picked up the strong grip, but then that one, came out pretty nice. Just went ahead and pressed back down with my fingers, and all the ghouls love me. So now this one gave me a hard time. Pulled back nicely, and I'm just placing it down on the cup. But watch here, after I press everything down, things take a turn. Not for the worse, but just not according to plan. So I'm just pressing down in between all those little pieces. And this is such a cute design. It's referencing the ride at Disneyland, and I think it's at other parks as well, but it's Thunder Mountain Railroad. which I haven't been on since I was a kid. But anyway, I love Disneyland, so I wanted to make this. So see, I'm pulling back the transfer tape, and you'll see that there's little tiny pieces that want to lift with the transfer tape. So I'm just using my fingernail and pressing those pieces back down onto the cup. So this one takes a little bit longer than the previous design. And this line gave me such a hard time. There comes a point where I think I just stopped recording so that I didn't have endless hours, or not hours, minutes of me trying to get this just right. But for whatever reason, that line and the lets just didn't want to stay. So what I end up doing is just cutting it out for you. But I used my weeding tool to lift that thin line and place it back down. And so there you have it. All the ghouls love me, and let's go to the mountain. So again, just hand wash these and they will make a nice addition to your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.